Today my mom is with me and yes, I am in Mumbai today for a brand collaboration. The collaboration is coloring my hair. So मैं और मम्मी जा रहे हैं मेरे बाल कलर करने and my mom hates it. क्या
उद्याची जोरात होतंय डीजे कारण ज़्यादा ना क्या
और अपने 1 वीक बैक ही किया था ना
केराटिन या
ठीक है हम बाकी अभी कर लेते हैं जो भी है
ठीक है ओके
यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे एकदम ऊपर से
हाँ ऑब्वियस
फिर कलर प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट करेंगे
हाँ दिस इज ऑल्सो नाइस मैं क्या चाहते हो कैसा हेयर कलर सूट करेगा मुझे
यू हैव डन केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट मुझे वो डर लगता है कि यू मे जस्ट एंड अप मेकिंग योर हेयर वेरी बैड
अगर मैं अभी शॉक हो गई एंड रिजल्ट देख के तो क्या होगा मुझे थप्पड़ पड़ेंगे
थोड़ा सा वो होना चाहिए जो अलग से ना दिखे इट शुड लुक गुड
अलग से दिखने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है लोग अच्छे लगते हैं
लोग अच्छे लगते हैं दे लाइक दैट बट आई डोंट अप्रिशिएट सच
बट इट्स नॉट योर हेयर ना इट्स माय हेयर ओनली
You're my daughter and I would always say don't end up looking something very
मैं जस्ट कल मुंबई लैंड हुई हूँ रात को और मैं सुबह 11 बजे यहाँ पहुँच गई ओके गाइस सो आई एम बैक होम क्योंकि मेरा कलर नहीं हो पाया आई टेल यू व्हाई तो यू नो मैंने केराटिन कराया था लाइक 2 वीक्स पहले apparently I have to wait a little time to do my hair color and I totally understand that but these people told me कि मुझे 5-6 महीने का कलर नहीं करना है which I think is BS because ऐसा मैंने नहीं सुना है कहीं भी ज़्यादा ये होता कि मेरा केराटिन वॉश हो जाता and I'm okay with that since it's a brand deal and everything I know there are some things that they have to follow. The thing is कि I came to Mumbai only for this collaboration. It's gonna hurt me. So I'll let you know what happened. Keep you updated and whatever. Bye. Hey guys, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. Today is finally the day after so long. It's been over 2 years that I am trying to get my hair colored and I couldn't for some or the other reason you might have seen. But finally today I'm going to do it and I'm going to do it good, okay? So now as you can see my hair is not that great. It's just a plain black and some reddish copperish ombre because all of the color grew out in the last 2 years. Although I'm super excited but if you know me you know that I'm not gonna do anything drastic or go totally different or do something major to my hair. Yeah, that's just not me. I'm going to do something subtle. I have a lot of options. I really hope that the hairdresser understands what I want. Since I don't do a lot of hair stuff in the parlors, I do not have a particular hairdresser that I can rely on or something. The last person completely butchered my hair color. It was kind of not what I wanted. I think we will figure out what we have to do, but I really hope that I'm able to explain to them exactly what I want. Anyway, I'm leaving now. It's like an hour away and I am already late as usual because I live really far. I'm really excited and I am a little nervous as well, but I really hope it turns out good. I'll see you soon. Hi bestie.
My heartbeat goes like cosine 내가 맘에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독 이 노래가 유명해져야 너가 날 만나줄 거잖아 그때 나를 바라볼 때 심장이 멎은 듯해 무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어 baby My flowers made in your light and I'm blooming by your side You know I've been waiting for too long yeah. 지금 right now sunshine on the shoreline feels like a 만나 푸른 하늘 You belong with me in this world
Let's go explore, sun's up and it's one more side. Maybe a picnic for us to unwind. When we touch, say penya like lightning. You will know that you my baby, go my sweet darling, pretty pearl. The way you hold me tight and tell me things I like. Girl, you got me on my knees, devastated. Do you see? I'm
어디서 들려와 달콤한 목소리 내 맘은 떨려와 난 멈출 수 없어 햇빛이 비추는 날 우린 만나 푸른 하늘 You belong with me in this world 이대로 시간이 멈춰버렸으면 해 네가 가지 못하게 이대로 시간이 멈춰버렸으면 해 이야이야이야이야 이대로 시간이 멈춰버렸으면 해 네가 가지 못하게 이대로 시간이 멈춰버렸으면 해 Oh yeah, oh baby
मगर बाकी वैसे केराटिन हम भी यूज़ नहीं करते और हमें मालूम है बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होता है उससे।
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries. I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who.
So guys, Mr. Shanawaz did an amazing job on my hair. I love it so much. Thank you so much. It's a totally different look from when I came.
different
है ना?
The color job is very dangerous.
Dangerous. It's my bestie. Love her hair. Love it. So guys, ये है my third day here. I wanted to show you my hair without all the curls and stuff so that you can see कि क्या color हुआ है exactly. And I'm with Naresh bhai. Actually, I'm going back to the salon because I wanted to kind of darken the bangs a bit. This is the main thing that's making me look very different. The lipstick लगी हुई है. To be honest, I'm only scared of my mom because I just know she's going to be really pissed off when she sees this. तो उसी वजह से लग रहा है. Otherwise, everyone has convinced me कि this is looking nice. Even he is telling me कि मत जाके color मत change कर. तो I'm still trying to think कि मैं जाके change करूँ या नहीं. We are actually on our way. So what I will do is I'll just make these even and इतने बड़े chunk की जगह I'll just keep a little bit highlight. And the bangs will obviously grow back in like 2 or 3 months and this will all turn to black once again. Can I endure it for the next 2 months? Is it worth it? क्या मुझे मम्मी की डांट खा लेनी चाहिए?
Yes, definitely.
I'm so confused.
Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing.
Okay, so guys, this is my final hair color. Finally, Mr. Shahnawaz was so kind enough to fix my bangs. मैंने ज़्यादा blonde जो था, blonde नहीं था वो थोड़ा highlights था, वो करके थोड़ा balance कर लिया है इस side के जैसे. And now it's all even everywhere. अब ये ऐसा ही रहने वाला है बहुत time तक. I know my mom's still gonna be pissed. Now I can truly say that I am in love with my hair. अब मुझे मजा आ रहा है, अब मुझे थोड़ा confidence आ रहा है. I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please do not forget to leave a like and comment on my video and let me know if you like the hair color or not. If you didn't, I can't really do anything about it. It is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That will mean the world to me. I will definitely see you next time with something else. Till then, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Calculating all the aftermath. Now when nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my drink, concealing all my doubts. I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with doubt.